Hi, in this video we're going to be talking about an app called MultibootUSB. So what this will do is it'll allow you to put multiple images on a flash drive, and that way you could boot your computer and choose the image you want to load to install an operating system or troubleshoot or whatever you need to do. That's similar to the Ventoy app that we just did a video on. So I'll show you how it works, and then you can check out the Ventoy video and see which one you like better. So once you download the program here, you could use it on Windows and Linux. Just run it after you install it. Okay, so you'll have to have a USB drive, and obviously you got to make sure you don't have anything you want to save on it. And pick it from the list. And then what you want to do is you could take your image files. I have a few here. So this one's already set up. So I'll just, because it takes a while to load each one on the disk. So what you would do is you would select an image browse, like this Ubuntu, which is not supported on this apparently. And then you click on install. It says it's not supported if you want to proceed with installation, but these other ones were supported, so you didn't get this message. Then you just pretty much have to wait for the status bar to go across there, and then it should show up in your list, and then you'll be done. There's a SysLinux option here too, which is a Linux bootloader if you want to add that. And then here's a little way to test it. If you want to test your USB drive, you could click on this, and this kind of gives you the menu that you'll have when you actually boot to it. So you can see the Fedora, the Windows, and the Debian, and it has a couple other things there on its own. So once you have that done, you just have to load it in your computer and boot up to it. So I will restart the computer and be right back. Okay, now you can see we have the same menu that we had when we were doing the test here. So we have this the 3 ISO files that I put on there, plus the options that comes with the app itself. So let's say I wanted to do Fedora. I could just click this one here, or press enter, I should say. And there you go. Now we could just start the installation or run the live Linux, whatever we want to do. Simple as that. All right, I'll put a link in the description where you could download this, and then you could try it out for yourself and see how you like it. And I would also definitely check out Ventoy as well to see which one you like better. All right, thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe.